Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Today I'm going to recreate this beautiful makeup look. Honestly, I found it on Pinterest. I don't know who's the creator, but I'm gonna look for it and list it down below if it happens. And I don't find the girl. If you know her, just let me know who she is so I can give her the credit. So yeah, if you guys want to see how easy actually it is to create this type of cat eye graphic liner wing makeup look, then keep on watching. You guys, I want to film a makeup tutorial today, but I have no idea what makeup I want to do. That's a struggle. I look so small. So I was looking in my phone and I found this picture and I said, you know what, I'm gonna save it as my wallpaper. I think I'm gonna recreate this eyeshadow makeup, eye makeup, cat eye wing liner makeup look today. I don't know, it looks easy, but at the same time a little bit like complicated. You know what I mean? I don't feel like using green today, so I think I'm gonna use purple instead. I keep burping, I'm so sorry. And I know I just used purple in one of my recent videos. I'm gonna apply the tape and my eyeshadow base and be right back. And if you see me super tan, it's because I keep applying this face and body tan mist. On my face it looks so beautiful, but take a look at this. Like it dripped in between my tatas, and I said I don't want my tatas to be tan, and I wiped the product off and now it looks super bad. And today I applied this again, but just a little bit because I think I went crazy the other day. Anyway, back to this makeup tutorial. Sugar, I know, gummy dummy. Okay, first I'm going to start with this nude shade because it looks like she has some type of nude transition in there. Let me be a woman, 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 woman. Let me be a woman. Oh, it looks a little bit pink. My brush was clean. Anyway, whatever. Okay, so far, easy peasy, right? So I'm picking black from the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette. You can use whatever black you have, obviously. And I'm gonna use an angled brush like this one. So I'm gonna do this line and then I'm gonna connect it. Hers is a little bit more subtle, a little bit more smaller. It's okay, you guys, it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, whatever. So I'm going to enhance a little bit this black and then I'm gonna blend it out. And on top of it, I'm gonna go with the purple and basically that's it. Right? I mean, it's not bad. Look at that. It gives foxy. Also make sure this fits well your eye shape. Your height. Wow, I can talk. Your eye shape, because look at me. I have hooded eyes, and if I went a little bit like lower, you wouldn't be able to see the lines. So I feel like brain knows what it's doing. So yeah, make sure this line kind of fits your eye shape, and you will be able to see it when you're looking straight like this. Next, I'm going to take a small pencil brush like this one, and very slowly I'm going to blend out this black line right here. Only this part, because as I said, I'm gonna go with black liner on top of this line. Just a little bit. Something like that. So next I'm gonna take my purple. I'm gonna start with the darker shade, and I think I'm gonna use this brush. Let's see. So I'm placing the purple right on top of the black. And then if I feel like I need to go back with black, I will do so. Okay, never mind. I'm going to take a small brush like this one. It's a little bit flat at the top, so I kind of want to be precise with where I want to place the purple, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Oh my goodness, I went crazy, crazy, girl. So the purple is not purpling. I wanted this to be brighter, a little bit more purple. Okay, let's go with the other one to see how that goes. Jesus, I thought this is gonna be easy. Then I'm going to try to blend this first purple we applied. Lord knows I'm trying. Okay, listen, I'm not gonna go back with the black. I'm just going to enhance it with my liquid liner. So I'm going to continue building this purple, because if I'm gonna go with black liner on top of it, you won't be able to see it as much. So I'm gonna build it a little bit more. So I said I'm gonna set that lid part with my setting powder, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh Lord, you know I'm trying. I'm gonna top so I can set that, and no worries, this will blend into nothing. Okay, nice. I'm gonna go back with my first brush I used, and I'm going to just a little bit blend this out, maybe pick a little bit of the nude shade we used, and that's it. Yay! Okay, next I'm gonna go with my liner, and this is also from Sheglam. This is the best, super affordable, you guys need it. It has a marker felt tip like, and it's very tiny, as you can see. I mean, it's not extremely tiny, but you can be very precise, so I do recommend this one. I think this is my third one and that says a lot. Okay, the problem with hooded eyes is that when I'm looking down like this, it looks beautiful. The wing liner looks beautiful, but when I'm looking straight, you won't be able to see it because the lid folds in there anyway. It is what it is. I'm taking the brush that I applied the black eyeshadow, and whatever's left on it, I'm going to go on top of the black liner and pray. Oh my goodness, I like this. Even though it's not identical to the picture, it's totally fine because it looks so hot. What? Okay, I feel like that will do. I'm going to try my best to make this eye look slightly similar to this one. Wish me luck. Okay, I feel like both eyes turned out pretty similar. Camera is not focusing, I'm sorry. But somehow this line right here on my right eye, oh, is a little bit more blended, a little bit more put together. What the heck, camera? As I was saying, I feel like this side right here is a little bit more blended, a little bit more put together. I don't know why that happened, because I did the exact same on my other eye, and somehow the black line I did with the liquid liner is not the best. But you can't tell, right? Also, I'm gonna apply some fake lashes, and bitch, you won't see any flaws on my eyes. Anyway, let's see how straight these lines are. So we are done. Oh no, we are not done. We have to apply the glitter. You guys see? You guys, wow, I'm in shock right now. You guys see how freaking perfect that is? I feel like I don't need to do any retouches in that area. Oh my goodness, I love it. This is like 93% perfect. We are missing the glitter, but I feel like I want to do that last. So I'm gonna do my face makeup this fast. Let's try do a transition. So on my bottom lash line, I started with the black and then I went with the both purple shades colors and I blended that out. So basically that's it. And I'm going to kind of connect the black with the wing liner right there. But I'm not gonna go crazy. Okay, next I'm going to go with the hibiscus shade. Is the darker purple. I can say purple. Is the darkest purple shade. And I'm applying it right on top of the black. It looks very bright and I love it. I love purple. And I feel like now I know why I wanted to go with purple. Because I have purple nails. I mean, I have a little bit of purple on my nails. You see, my brain does this thing. It's like trying to match things by colors. And I feel like I just filmed a makeup tutorial using purple eyeshadow last week. Am I wrong? I don't think so. And then I'm going to pick the lighter shade from the Sheglam palette. And I'm going to try to blend the edge right here, just a little bit, not too much. Okay, next I'm going to do the purple, glitter line, and like I'm gonna cut the crease. So I'm gonna use Stilla liquid glitter liners, whatever they are called. This is in the shade Kitten Karma and it's a little bit dry. This is the Glitter Glow liquid eyeshadow. This is a little bit dry because it's old. It's old, okay, but listen, I'm gonna mix it with my Inglot Duraliner liquid. Camera, should I put the Inglot drops in there? Because this is extremely dry and crusty. It's not working, it's not working. Okay, so I managed to scoop some product out. I'm gonna use my very thin, precise brushes. Oh my freaking god, camera doesn't pick the glitter, but I always say this, if you guys have hooded eyes like me and you want your cut crease to show, you need to go a little bit higher than the fold. Like, this is where my, let me pick a clean brush. This is where my lid folds, okay? So if I would go and cut the crease right in this area, you wouldn't be able to see the shimmer or glitter I'm applying in that area when I'm having, like when I'm looking straight like this. So you need to go a little bit higher than the crease or fold you have. So then when you look straight, you want to still see a little bit of what's going on in this area. That's another tip. I always say this in my videos. If you guys don't follow me, you should. Okay, you should, because I'm giving you makeup hacks and tips. Oh my god. Wow, I freaking love this. I know she used gold, but I used gold in my previous video, so I have to change it a little bit. I am running out of natural light and I'm so sorry. I zoomed you out a little bit. On my lips I'm gonna go with this BeautyBay lip liner in the shade Whip. And on top of that I'm going to go with this soft matte lip cream from NYX in the shade Istanbul. might be a little bit too pink for this purple eye makeup look, but I'm gonna apply just a little bit. I think I'm going to go with my lip balm on top because my lips are crusty and dry, and there's nothing nice about that. Whatever, this works for me. So this is the finished look. I'm sorry, phone. I need to apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, but that's it. This is the makeup tutorial. Alright, beautiful people, so this is the finished look. I honestly feel like it's very, very similar to the picture, right? Let me know what you think down below. My wings are a little bit longer than hers, but it's totally fine. So let me know if you guys want me to recreate this makeup look, but maybe using nude shades, like toned down browns and nude colors. Let me know that down below. Also, let me know what do you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I find this eye makeup super easy, and you don't have to be good at doing makeup. You saw those lines doesn't have to be perfect, and the tape, let me tell you, the tape is gonna be your best friend. Also, if you're not good at doing wing liner, use a tape, okay? So that's another hack for you today. So I think that's it. I'm gonna take some pictures and film some TikToks, and that's it. Call it a day. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one.